Most days I plan my meal based on what I have in the pantry and in the fridge, and today is tom kha because I had chicken broth, mushrooms, and coconut milk. Start by adding the chicken broth and water to a pot. Add the aromatics and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Add the chicken breast, cook for another 15 minutes. Skim the impurities as you're cooking so you can get a clear broth. After that, add the coconut milk, mushrooms, and Thai chilies. I use 2 different types of mushrooms, oyster mushrooms and straw mushrooms. You can use whatever you like. Let that cook for a couple minutes, add your tomatoes, and it's time to season your broth with fish sauce, sugar, lime juice, and tamarind powder. If you have lime leaves, add that in. I didn't, so I just add lime juice. Mix it well and adjust to your own liking. Top it off with some cilantro and some chili oil if you have any. I use Chili Bandit because right now it's my favorite. Serve it with a side of rice and enjoy!